In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a simple fade out effect using opacity keyframes. This is a clean, professional way to end a clip, and it only takes a few moments once you know where everything is. First, make sure you've already imported your footage and placed it on the timeline. Then select your video layer. This means clicking directly on the video clip you want to fade out, either in the timeline or in your layer panel, depending on your editing software. It's important that the correct clip is highlighted, otherwise any changes you make won't affect the right video. With that video layer selected, press the T key on your keyboard to open the opacity property. In many editing and motion graphics programs, T is the shortcut that reveals opacity or transparency settings. If that doesn't work in your specific software, you can also look for an opacity control in the Effect Controls panel or the layer properties. The goal is simply to see a percentage value that represents how visible your clip is. Once you can see the opacity setting, move the playhead to the exact point where you want your fade to begin. This might be a second or two before the end of the clip or anywhere else in the timeline where you want the fade out to start. It can help to play back that section a couple of times and stop at the moment that feels right. At this point, make sure the opacity is set to 100% so the clip is fully visible. Now add a keyframe at this position. In most programs, you do this by clicking the stopwatch or keyframe icon next to the opacity property. That keyframe locks in the value of 100% opacity at this moment in time, telling the software that the clip should still be fully visible here. Next, move forward in time to where you want the fade to be completely finished. This is usually a short distance from the first keyframe, for example, half a second or a full second later, depending on how slow or fast you want the fade to feel. With the playhead at this new position, change the opacity value from 100% down to 0%. When you do this, a second keyframe is created automatically at this new point in time. Now, between those two keyframes, the video fades out. The software smoothly transitions the opacity from fully visible at 100% to completely transparent at 0%. You can scrub through the timeline or play it back to see the effect. If the fade feels too fast, drag the second keyframe farther away from the first. If it's too slow, move them closer together.